So, do you want more money? Most of us do. Most of us would love to have more money. So, if you want more money, the first thing I'm going to tell you is you have the power. Life is happening through you, not to you. So, if money has been tight for you, the first thing I'm going to tell you to do is watch your words. What are you saying? Are you saying things like, I don't have enough money to pay for this? I want to do this, but I can't. I'm poor. Every time you say that, you're sending a message to your body, to the universe, to your mind that you don't have enough money. So the first thing is to change what you're saying. So for example, I have a plan to buy a lake home next year. I'm not going to apologize for that. It's a dream I've had for a very long time. And I don't entertain the thought that it's not going to happen. I speak as if it is happening. It is in the plan, and I expect it to happen. So the next thing after changing the words, you can say, I am prosperous. You can say, I am excited about all the money coming in that will help me buy X, Y, and Z. Also look for those limiting thoughts, those limiting beliefs that cause those words to come out of your mouth. So, and there's a lot of places you pick these up. So, for example, you may have heard money is the root of all evil. Well, and it came from the Bible. Well, what it actually said is money is the root of all kinds of evil. It didn't say all money was bad. We need money to live in this world. In the way that we're living now, money is a necessity for even our basic needs. So attracting money, there's no reason to feel guilty about that. If you grew up not having a lot of money, you may just think that's the way it is. Money is hard. That's another thing, it's hard. You have to work hard to make money. Well, there's plenty of examples out there that people aren't working so hard and they have money. So look for shifting those thoughts. So your words, your thoughts, your beliefs. Now, sometimes this isn't so easy, right? Because we've had a lifetime of programming of what society is telling us, what the church is telling us. Which another thing many religions tell you is, you're a horrible sinner and you don't deserve anything unless you do X, Y, and Z. Okay? You are a child of God. You deserve every good thing that happens to you just by being a human on this earth. And yes, I encourage you to be a good person. Yes, I encourage you to be generous, but you also have to be generous to yourself. You also have to love yourself. And when you love yourself first, it is so much easier to be generous and be loving to other people. So with this lifetime of programming, it takes some practice. First it's just awareness, and then slowly things start to change. So with that idea, I want to invite you to my Manifesting Your Vision workshop, which I'm holding on Wednesday, September 14th. It'll be at 6:30 Central Time via Zoom. So wherever you are in the world, you can attend. And I'm going to talk about how to integrate some of these processes and steps to eliminate some of that false thinking and get more money in your pocket, have more prosperity in your life, because you can do so much more when you're not worrying about money. So let's turn off the worry and allow the flow to come in. Let's just envision checks showing up in your mailbox, money being deposited into your account. That's what I want you to be focused on. Your knowledge that you're good is yours, that you deserve it and you can have it.